So 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 125, 8 7s are 56 plus 2 58, 8 1 is 8, 8 plus 5 13. Into 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28, 129, 4 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 6. Okay, 6, 8 plus 5 it is 13, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 11, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 1 13, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. So decimal points will be 3 plus 1 4. So 1 2 3 4. So we got the x value as 8.3136. What is this x value we have assumed? So the x value is nothing but the length of the ladder CD equals to x we have assumed. So we got the length of the ladder value as 8.3136 meters. You have to definitely write the value in terms of units also. Okay. Therefore, length of ladder CD equals to x equals to 8.3136 meters. Okay. So we found out the length of the ladder. So first point what we have to solve is done. So what is the second step that we have to solve? See here, the first thing what we have to solve is finding out the length of the ladder. This is done. Second thing is to find the distance between the foot of the pole and foot of the ladder. So BD distance we have to find out. So we know that the triangle formed here is a right angle triangle. So from this triangle we have to find out the adjacent side. We know the opposite side and now we found out the hypotenuse also. What is the hypotenuse value that we found out? It is 8.3136 meters. 8.3136 meters. This is hypotenuse value we found out. We need to find out the adjacent side. So how to find out this? Here, to make the calculation easier, I am using the cos trigonometric ratio. Why? I will tell you now. See here, second thing what we need to find out is distance between B and D. So from triangle CBD, here also from triangle CBD, here also from triangle CBD, which is a right angle triangle. So we need to find out here adjacent side. How to find out the adjacent side? It's so easy. You can use either cos function or tan function, but here the angle is 60 degrees. So cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So in that there is no value of square root of 3 like that. There is nothing. When you take here tan function, tan 60 is root 3. Correct. So again root 3 value you have to multiply. Again you have to calculate. So take the cos trigonometric ratio. Okay. So from triangle CBD, cos D equals to adjacent side of angle D. Adjacent side of angle D by hypotenuse. What is D value? It's 60 degrees equals to adjacent side of angle D is BD by hypotenuse is CD. BD by CD. So here do we know BD? No, we don't know. So I am just putting it as it is. BD by what is CD? CD value just now we found out. No, it is 8.3136 meters. Okay. Cos 60 value is what? It is 1 by 2. So from this it's easy to find out the value of BD, that is distance between B and D will be 2 into 8. Sorry, it's BD equals to 8.3136 by 2. When I send this side, it becomes numerator, it goes to numerator, so divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 4s are 8, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16. So you got the BD value as 4.1568. Therefore, BD equals to 4.1568 meters. What is this BD? BD is nothing but distance between the foot of the pole and foot of the ladder. Therefore, distance between foot of pole and foot of ladder. Write in brackets BD equals to 4.1568 meters. So this is the solution for question number 7. Okay, let me give you a brief explanation now. See, this is the total height of the pole. Electrician has to reach the point C, which is 1.8 meters down from the top of the pole. Okay, so a ladder has to be placed to the point C from the ground level. Okay, So I have assumed that the foot of the ladder is placed at point D on the ground. So first thing they asked us to find the length of the ladder, and the second thing they asked us to find the distance between foot of the pole and the foot of the ladder. So we have to find out CD and BD. So here A point is not required because from the point C only the right angle triangle is formed. Since here, as per the mathematical figure assumptions, that all mathematical objects are linear. So here the angle formed between this AB and BD is 90 degrees. So this right angle triangle we have to consider. So with the right angle triangle, how to find out this BC side? It's nothing but total height of the pole minus this AC length. You will be getting the BC length value. That itself I have written it as 7.2 meters. Okay. So after that we got to know BC value and we got to know one of its angles. So it's easy to find the other two sides. We have to find out the other two sides. But here I am finding first the hypotenuse, that is nothing but length of the ladder. How to find out it? You know here opposite side of angle D, you know one of its angle. How to find out hypotenuse? It's nothing but easy using the trigonometric ratio of sine. So that's why I have applied here sine function, and therefore I found out the value of x, which is nothing but the length of the ladder. It is 8.3136 meters. We got to know this. So again from the same triangle, see here 8.36 we got to know this is 7.2. How to find out this? You can use Pythagoras theorem also, but it's quite lengthy process. So that's why use the trigonometric ratio only. So which trigonometric ratio we have to apply? That we have to choose the easiest way. So here I have applied, we have to know adjacent side. No, two possibilities are there. Easiest possibilities are two. You have to use either cos function or tan function. Tan 60 value is again root 3. You have to do multiplication for root 3 value. It will be again long process. So that's why what I did here, just apply the cos function. So you can find out the adjacent side. So cos function I have, cos trigonometric ratio I have applied here. You got the value as 4.1568 meters. So the answer is solved. And for explaining purpose only, I have divided this solution video into two parts. So don't feel it is quite lengthy. Please go through that. So in case you like this video, do like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.